Hello guys, welcome to another edition of this Do-It-Yourselfer channel. Today my daughter baptized this vehicle with a broken quarter panel at the back. Like did the first hit. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it.
I pressed a button.
Oh, that's old. That
Fancy.
So guys, I'm limited with light, so I have a light. Hope it comes out good, but we have to remove this. All right, thank you, guy. We have to remove this thing right here, this plastic, and usually it has these little clips, and you remove them. In this case, they are all removed, so they did something for me. I don't know if they have it or not, but once they remove that, then we can go ahead and proceed by moving this out. Make sure we lift this up at least half away, and then we can go ahead and remove. Make sure it doesn't have any clips, which I don't see them. Now we are supposed to be able to remove it. I don't want to break anything. We need to take this off. New light. It's supposed to mount. Can you light me right there? Hold that. That goes inside. There's a little lid. Can you record? So you probably have to squeeze your hand through there and push it, so that way you can get it out. Wait. No. No. Oh.
you can break it.
Just like that. It goes kind of like with pressure. This thing was disconnected. I don't know what that is. It was disconnected. So we'll figure it out. Esto lo dejas así porque el chavo lo va a quitar. That guy's gonna take all this.
You didn't break it then?
No,
It sounded like
it's not broken. Nothing. Lo deberías dejar adentro.
Okay, I'll do that.
Alright, so I want you to see these three bolts that you have. That's the same ones. Oh, it's four. That's the same ones we're gonna remove from the vehicle. So we're gonna come over here, and so we're gonna use a 5/16 socket right here. I'm using a small one, and yeah, that's what it is. So here, right here, is the first one. Take it out. Alright, so we got one removed. So I'm going for the second one.
Just clean your way.
Right in there. Probably the camera is not capturing this, but okay guys, so I'm down to the last bolt. You gotta squeeze your hand through there. But anyway, there's 4 bolts. You saw it on the light. And down to the last one. The good thing about it is that you loosen them a little bit and they come out free. So now that we have all 4 bolts, Bingo. We just push it out. All right, and it's time to put the new one back on. Does it come with lights? Okay, so I got the brand new light in here, and it does come with a new light. So all we have to do is snap it out, and that's it. The way you pull it out is you push this both ends. One of them is kind of messed up, but it's all right. And we'll get it out of the way. Here, put the other one back the same way. Plug it in. Snaps. Now we're gonna push it in, match all the holes into the corresponding holes, the bolts into the corresponding holes. So we're lining up all the holes. Now this car, it was wrecked on that side, so it's a little bit harder. In your case, it shouldn't. It should fit just like butter. But in this case, you know, it's kind of fun.
Can you let me down here?
Use. So all you have to just put it together. She's working on the bolts on the inside.
Yeah, this one's not going. It's not screwing. It's like too skinny.
You see it has to. We're down to the last.
Push it down.
To the last screw. Cool. Now we have to tighten them up. And where is it? Oh, it's right there on top. Yeah, that's good.
Wait, do I need to like?
So what she's doing right now is just tightening this up with a wrench.
It's not making any noise.
Okay, we're still tightening the bolts.
Now it's tighter. There we go.
Now we go down to the last one.
Look, that's here.
Yes.
Is this how you can do it?
So we're down to the last one, which is right there. We left the E6 one at the end. Need help?
Yeah.
You want me to hold it?
Move this.
Right away. And we got a quarter panel, quarter light, back light installed. It's brand new. All you have to do is turn it on and see if it works. Just turn it on and
This is tight enough.
turn it. Yes, yes. Turn on the lights. Yeah. Brand new. Broke it. And bingo. It's working. See that? Beautiful. Nice. It looks the same now. So nice. Alright guys,
Hopefully
so
I don't
this is how it's done.
mess
Not
it
that
up.
hard.